Maybe you cruise conspiracy forums under a pseudonym, or maybe you just like the peace of mind of keeping your real identity separate from your digital footprint. Whatever the reason, anonymity online can be a double-edged sword. There's a freedom to explore and express yourself without fear of judgment, but it can also create a haven for less savory activities. This delicate balance is something cryptocurrency exchanges have to grapple with. They want to provide a platform for financial freedom and global access, but they also have a responsibility to prevent money laundering and other financial crimes. So, the question becomes, how anonymous can you stay when using a crypto exchange? Today, we're diving deep into Kraken, one of the biggest names in the crypto game. We'll be cracking open, pun intended, their verification process and answering the burning question, does Kraken require ID? Levels to the Kraken game, understanding verification on Kraken. Kraken, like most major exchanges, uses a tiered verification system. This means the level of ID and information you need to provide depends on how much you want to do with your account. Tier 1, setting sail with basic verification. The good news for anonymity lovers is that Kraken offers a basic level of verification that requires minimal information. To set sail on the Kraken seas with this tier, you'll need to provide your email address, a username. That's it. With basic verification, you can browse the Kraken exchange, check prices, and even deposit a small amount of cryptocurrency. However, there are limitations. You won't be able to deposit fiat currency, like Nigerian naira, withdraw any funds, trade most cryptocurrencies. Tier 2, fair wins and full sales with Tier 2 verification. If you want to unleash the full Kraken experience, you'll need to level up to Tier 2 verification. This unlocks a whole new world of crypto trading, allowing you to deposit fiat currency, withdraw both fiat and cryptocurrency, trade a wider range of cryptocurrencies. To reach Tier 2, Kraken will ask you to provide some additional information. Your full name, date of birth, country of residence, phone number. They'll also require you to verify your identity with a government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. Tier 3, Kraken Pro, uncharted waters for serious traders. For the crypto whales and high-volume traders out there, Kraken offers a Tier 3 verification option called Kraken Pro. This tier increases your withdrawal limits and offers other benefits for serious investors. However, the verification process for Kraken Pro is more rigorous and may involve additional documents or even background checks. The KYC Kraken, understanding why verification matters. So, why does Kraken require ID verification for higher tiers? It all boils down to Know Your Customer, KYC, regulations. These are international regulations designed to prevent financial crime and money laundering. By verifying your identity, Kraken can help ensure their platform isn't being used for illicit activities. Striking a balance, anonymity versus security on Kraken. Kraken's tiered verification system offers a good balance between anonymity and security. You can still dabble in the crypto world with minimal information, but if you want to trade seriously, you'll need to provide some ID. It's important to remember that regulations around cryptocurrency are constantly evolving. What's true today might not be true tomorrow. So, it's always a good idea to stay up to date on Kraken's verification requirements by checking their website or support channels. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy sailing on the high seas of crypto.